Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can hide your likes on Facebook. It's quite a straightforward process once you know where all the settings are. So as I get into this, if you find it useful and informative, smash that like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and let's get started. Okay guys, so here is my iPhone. The first we need to do is load up Facebook. So it's just going to load it up right here. Now, what we're talking about specifically is if we just scroll down a little bit, is as you can see, this particular post right here has 15,000 likes, has reactions and things like that. Basically what we're talking about is whether or not you see that and whether you people who click on your posts can see the likes and stuff like that, right? That's basically what we're talking about. Now, in 2026, the Facebook application has changed menus around again, as it usually does every year or so. So the menus have now moved around. So you're probably looking for settings that you can't find through this new updated interface. Now, the menu has been moved to the top left-hand side. You can see the hamburger option just next to the Facebook name and logo, right? So click on that. Hamburger menu are just at the top there. From here, you want to scroll down to where it says settings and privacy, and then underneath settings and privacy, it has settings. Click on settings. That's going to load up all of your settings for the Facebook application. Now, as we scroll down, we want to find this section that's called preferences. Under the preferences area, you will find something called reaction preferences. Click on that. Now, this is where basically you get to hide the number of reactions on other people's posts or your own posts in your own reels, right? So the first option right there, it says on other people's posts and reels, you won't see the total number of reactions for posts and reels on other people's, or at least what other people create, right? So you could turn that on if you wanted to. Underneath that, you've got on your posts and reels, and other people won't see the total number of reactions for posts and reels that you create from feed or your profile. So you would simply just toggle on the ones that you want. So if you wanted to see other people's, likes and reactions, you'd keep that toggled off. But if you want to stop people from seeing the total number of reactions on your own posts that you create, you would hit that bottom icon right there. Now I just leave both of these off. It doesn't bother me, but for some people, you might want to activate that setting right there. And that is it. That is how you essentially would remove and hide the likes and reactions on your posts. If this has worked for you, found it useful and informative, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and I'll catch you all in the next one.